Hello everyone, welcome to Civil Mania. So today I'll be telling about what is Telnet. So actually, Telnet is defined as a one kind of protocol which is used for communication with a remote device or a server by the help of the command line interference, which is also named as CLI. So I'll be showing you one of the experiment via packet tracer. So let's see. So first, I have opened packet tracer. So now what I'll do is like, first of all, I will place one PC. Then I'll place one switch because I'll be connecting the PC with the help of one switch and one router. Let's place Cisco 2901 router and let's me place one switch. So now I'll be connecting by the help of cables. Let me connect this one with the Ethernet 0 by 2 and let me connect this one by the help of 0 by 1. So everything I have connected now. So now I will be controlling the router by the help of PC and by using the name of the protocol, that is PC Telnet, by using Telnet. Okay. So first of all, I will be configuring my PC. So first of all, I will provide IP to my PC. I'm providing default gateway as well as DNS server IPS same for the IP version 4. Along with that, for the fast Ethernet 0, that is this one, I'll be using IP that is 192.168.0.2 as I'll be using 40.1 the router and I have on it. Okay, so everything is okay for the PC. So now I will be changing the IP or assigning the IP for the router. So first of all, in the router, let's see what interface is present. That is 0 by 0 is present. So this is 0 by 0. First of all, I'll on it. After on, I'll provide the IP of 192.168.40.1 as I provided 40.2 in the PC. Subnet mask will automatically come as this is a class C IP address. So its subnet mask will be 24 bits, that is 255.255.255.0. So as I have told you, this is the command line interface, but as here the command line interface is opened directly by using the router, but this command line facility I will open it by using Telnet via my PC. And in the PC, I will be using command prompt. So let's see. So first of all, in the router, I'll exit it totally, or I'll be using Control Z for exiting. Now in the router, I will be first of all changing the host name. Host as, let me choose host as Cisco. First of all, enable, then config t, then host as, host name as Cisco. After that, I will be using the telnet command so that I can control my router by the help of PC. So I'll be configuring first of all the router. So now I'll be using telnet command. For the telnet command, I'll be first of all using enable password. We'll keep the password as 123, or I can also even enable my secret password, that is enable secret 123. See, either of these two password I can on it, or it's not required. Simply I'm owning it. Okay, I have kept same, so let me keep as 345. After that, I'll be using telnet command, that is line VTY virtual terminal 0 to 15 is the highest privilege. So I'll be keeping 0 to 15. After that, I'll keep password as, again I'll keep password as 2 3. After that, I will use login. Now I'll exit it. So this is the configuration I have done in my router. So now in my PC, by using command prompt, I will open this router directly. So let's see. So I'll double exit. So now let me close this. So first of all, let me open my PC, and here default gateway. This is the gateway actually I have used, the gateway of the router, because via the router only it will reach somewhere else to the different network. So here in the desktop mode, I will be using, first of all, let me check the IP configuration whether everything is okay. Yeah, everything is okay. This is for the PC, whereas this one and this one are for the router. Now let me open command prompt, and in the command prompt I will be using first of all ping command to check whether connectivity is present or not between the PC and the router. Ping for the destination, that is 192.168.40.1. One is the destination. Yeah, packets are being reached. So everything packets are reached to the destination. So everything is okay. Now I will see, this is a command prompt, but I will open the interface of the command line interface of the router via using telnet. So here I will type telnet, then the IP address of the router 192.168.40.1. See, first of all, they have asked me what is the password. I have kept as 123. So type 123, enter. See, this is the router whose host name I have changed as Cisco. So see, now I have gone to the router via using my PC through the help of Telnet. So in this way, we can control any remote device by using uh, any kind of source, whether it might be PC or laptop or anything else. So we can remotely control it. So now let me change or check something about the router, like enable command. Yeah, in the enable command also I have kept two password. One is 123 and second one is 345. Secret is 345. Let me 123 then 345. Yeah. So I have entered into the enable mode. Then configure terminal. Configure terminal. After that, I can also see the version of the router. For checking the version of the router, remember that now I am in the global configuration mode. So in the global configuration mode, I have to press do along with the command. Do show version. See, this is the version of the router. So this is how I have entered into the remote server by using my PC via Telnet. So thanks for watching my video. And please, if you have not followed my channel, then follow it and press the subscribe button and share as much as possible. Thank you.